Man, I hope you're having a great day out there. The stock market, talk about not going the direction I thought it would today, and yet we still made a ton of money. Let's get right into it and go over the numbers. So, we ended up, I thought today was going to be a bad day. All the indicators was out there that we were going to have another down day, and yet the S&P ended up closing up 1.80%, Dow up 1.40, and the Nasdaq up 2.14%. Just incredible day. I thought it was going to be down, and yet here we turn and had a heck of a rally, and I loved seeing it. Let's talk about how that affected our plays from today. Now, I bought Signature Bank yesterday. Signature Bank ran up, did really well. Bought that at $167 yesterday. Ran up, cashed it out at just short of 174. Made 4% on that trade. Super excited about that. We picked up NEO yesterday, and I recommended to buy NEO again today. Now, I picked up a position in it yesterday at $17.50. Picked it up again today at $16.20. Rode that up and sold them at $18 flat today. That brought us in a 2.8% return on our position from yesterday and an 11.1% gain on our position from this morning. Just absolutely incredible. Super excited about that. Now, I also, again, I was expecting the market to go down. I said I was going to be buying the UVXY. Now, I picked that up at 10.50. It started pulling back. The VIX was in the red. The markets was greening up. I said if that happened, I was going to cut my position there, and I was going to buy in to the QYLD. I did exactly that. I ended up selling that first position of the UVXY at 10.35. Took a 1.4% loss on that, and bought the QYLD at 16.84, ran that up to 17.10, and made 1.5% gain on that. So the gain we made on the one completely washed out the losses from the other, which allowed that 11.1% that we made on NEO to be pure profit without anything going down. Super excited about that. Not to mention the fact we made money on the QYLD yesterday as well. So really happy. Like I said, made a ton of money today. Was in and out quick. Speaking of in and out quick, I did pick up, for those of you that like the meme stocks, I picked up some GME just right at the close of day. Bought that at, go over here to my page here, bought that at $23.75. It's already ran up over 11% since market close. I'm probably going to hold on to it and see how it moves. In fact, I may hold on to it till in the morning. However, I am up over 10%. If it starts pulling back, I'll probably just go ahead and cash out tonight. But that was a really nice little play. Anytime I got earnings coming up and I'm expecting that to drive a stock in one position or one direction or another, I like to play off of that hype. And with GME, as much as it was beat down, I thought the chances of it having an explosion up was really high, so I did go ahead and take advantage of getting a position in that. I thought I was going to miss it. I actually put in a buy order at that $23.75. It had just dropped down and hit just under $23.50, and it had started running up. We got that bounce. It started running up, and it just ran away. It got up over $24. I was like, well, I missed that position. And then right at market close, it ended up buying and then immediately running up afterward. And that's what happens sometimes. Don't chase stocks. When you decide a price, put it in and hold to it. Because when you start chasing something, if I'd changed my mind and I'd started running up with it, that's how you FOMO in. That's how you get carried away and don't get good numbers and put yourself at risk. So make sure when you're looking at the numbers and you come up with something, stick with it. If it doesn't work out, it don't work out. There's other plays to be made. Never worry about having a fear of missing out, because for every play you miss out on, there's 10 more to go find. Probably hundreds and hundreds more, but for example. So never get the fear of missing out, because there's always a play to be made. That's what I'm here to teach you on this channel. And so if you like that, make sure and hit the like button for me. Always hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I'll see you in the morning before the bell. We'll talk about where I see the market going. More importantly, we'll pick some stocks that are going to make us some money regardless of which way the market goes. That's all I got for you. Be blessed. Till next time, remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.